In this video, I'll show you how to find and view the reels you've liked on Instagram. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. Knowing how to do this is super useful because you can revisit the reels you've liked for a reason, whether they're funny, informative, or just something you want to see again. So let's get started. First, open Instagram and head to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select your activity. This section gives you an overview of how you use Instagram. Now, look for the interactions option and tap on it. At the top, you'll see likes. Select that. This will show all the posts you've liked. But we're specifically looking for reels. To filter for reels, tap all content types at the top, uncheck posts, and then click apply. And that's it. Now you'll only see the reels you've liked. It's a simple way to revisit and enjoy your favorite content. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and guides like this.